See here, the third bit first problem, limit extends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 by x. How to find out the limit value? Mm, we know the formula, just to recall the formula, that is limit extends to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. It is the formula. But here you can observe this is in the function of x, this is also in the function of x. If we can take plus 1 and minus 1, it has negative. When we take the plus 1, then in that we can taking the common minus. If minus 1 is added to first term, plus 1 is added to the second term, then minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. Okay, no change of the given function. So in that case, we can get the idea of what we should add for that given function. 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 by x. Here we can reduce to the suitable form, means if 1 power n is nothing but 1 only. In that case, we can add and subtract with 1. That is 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 we add here, minus of 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 plus 1 add here by x. Now we can write separately, that is limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 by x, minus taking common, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8, minus common means here plus 1 becomes minus 1 by x. If we take minus to denominator, then here we write plus. Just you can write it as 1 minus 1. Then again we are getting plus 1 only. Okay. So in the denominator also, in the next step, we can add minus 1 and plus 1. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 can be written as 1 by 8 by 1 plus x minus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. We are getting x only in the denominator. Plus limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power 1 by 8 minus 1 power 1 by 8 by 1 minus x minus 1. That is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. We are getting minus x only. Why we are taking in the denominator plus 1 minus 1 means it can be reduced to the form of x minus a. What is the x in the numerator? 1 plus x. So in the denominator also, in the place of x, we should write 1 plus x. A is equal to 1. So it is in the form of n into a power n minus 1 plus n into a power n minus 1. 1 power something is 1 only. It is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It is equal to 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer. Second one, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by under root 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, it is they have given. What we can collect the formula? Again, we can recall the formula, that is limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. Okay, it is nothing but
log
hmm,
log रागा
log 3, that is log a. Is it correct? A power x
log
minus
e
1
है
by log
e
log a.
okay
Limit limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. That we can get here. Here 3 power x is there, but in the denominator we need x. For that, we get an idea for this. Rationalize the denominator. Limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by under root of 1 plus x minus 1. You take the rationalize 1 plus x plus 1 by under root 1 plus x plus 1. It is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square into root of 1 plus x plus 1. Here root square get cancelled, 1 minus x plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. It goes to limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x, and write separate limits. That is limit of f of x into g of x is equal to limit f of x into limit g of x. So we can write separate as the multiple x tends to 0 under root of 1 plus x plus 1. It is equal to log 3 into 1 plus 0 under root plus 1. It is equal to root 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 log 3 is the answer. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by root 1 plus x minus 1 equal to 2 log 3 is the solution. Third problem, limit x tends to a, root of a plus 2x minus root 3x by under root 3a plus x minus 2 root x. Just here you can check out when you can substitute directly x equal to a, it is a plus 2a root 3a minus root 3a, it is 0. In the denominator, 2a plus a is 4a, 4a is nothing but 2 root a minus 2 root a. The denominator part is also 0. In that case, you can take the rationalize. So the given problem is limit extends to a root of a plus 2x minus root 3x by root 3a plus x minus 2 root x. When we can substitute x equal to a, it is eliminated to denominator, and denominator is reduced to 0 means you can't apply, take the rationalize. For the denominator, rationalize 3a plus x plus 2 root x by under root 3a plus x plus 2 root x. That is equal to limit x tends to a, the denominator under root 3a plus x whole square minus 2 root x whole square is under root of a plus 2x minus root 3x into root 3a plus x plus 2 root x. Now we should multiply in the numerator, that is limit x tends to a, root a into root b is root ab, that is root of a into 3a is 3a square plus ax plus 3 2s are 6ax plus 2x square plus 2 under root of ax plus 2x square minus under root of 3 3s are 9ax plus 3x square minus 2 under root of 3x square by square root get cancelled, that is 3a plus x minus 2 2s are 4x. It is equal to limit x tends to a under root of it is 2 under root of ax plus root 3ax plus 2 root x. In the denominator, we can simplify. It is 3a minus 3x. In the numerator, it can be calculate. It's very little bit difficult. Just we can go through the same multiplication. That is root a plus 2x minus root 3x into root 3a plus x plus 2 root x. Again, we can take the rationalize. What we can take root a plus 2x plus root 3x root a plus 2x plus root 3x. We can take denominator rationalize as well as numerator rationalize. Now we can calculate. It is a minus b into a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square, that is root a plus 2x whole square minus root 3x whole square under root of 3a plus x plus 2 root x. The denominator is root a plus 2x plus root 3x. Here square root cancel. It is equal to limit x tends to a plus 2x minus 3x, that is a minus x. In the denominator taking common 3 into a minus x. In the numerator root 3a plus x plus 2 root x by root a plus 2x plus root 3x. Here these two are get cancelled. 1 by 3 is a constant. Next a is apply in the function, that is root 3a plus a plus 2 root a by root a plus 2a plus root 3a. It is equal to 1 by 3 into root 4a, means that is 2 root a plus 2 root a by root 3a plus root 3a, 2 root 3a. It is equal to 1 by 3 into 4 root a by 2 root 3a. Okay, that is nothing but 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 by 3 root 3 is the answer. Why? Because root a in the numerator, root a in the denominator. It is equal to 2 by 3 root 3. See here, if the numerator and denominator in between of two terms has negative, means we can take the x equal to a, it goes to 0 in the numerator and denominator. In that case, we can rationalize for denominator function and also numerator function. Then after the simplify, the elimination of the 0 factor is eliminated in the rationalizably. After that, we are getting the two terms in between has plus sign. Then when we can substitute in the x equal to a, we get the somewhat positive value, that is non-zero value. It is the solution of the limit of the given problem. Okay. Homework. Fourth problem. Limit x tends to 0, cube root of 1 plus x minus cube root of 1 minus x by x. Fifth one, limit x tends to a, sine of x minus a, tan square of x minus a by x square minus a square whole square. Sixth one, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx by sin square nx. Seventh one, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x. Eighth one, limit x tends to 0, sec x minus 1 by x square. Ninth one, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos mx by 1 minus cos nx. N is not equal to 0. These are homework. Okay. Now I am giving brief explanation on this. It is similar to first problem. Here, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 by x. It is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 by x plus limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 by minus x. It is 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3 minus 1. It is 2 by 3 is the answer. It is similar to the first problem. Got it?
First one తీసుకోమంటే +1.
Yes, that is already I did in the direct plus 1 minus 1.
ఆడ
Hmm? Add minus 1 and plus 1 and write the separate, and in the denominator indirectly 1 plus x minus 1 is nothing but, it is nothing but the same thing only. So for the after the doing the terms, then we are getting the solution is this one. If you do in the shortcut way and what is the answer means, they are not asking about the middle procedure. Just in the MSET point of view, in the IIT, in the JEE point of view, direct you want answer. How to do? This is the way. Already you asked me. What is the level of, this is the level of the IIT. It's in the IIT, just the observing of this only, we are getting 2 by 3 is the answer. Why? Because it is whole power 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. It's simple. Got it? The second one, you know the formulas. Limit x tends to a, sin x by x equal to 1, tan x by x equal to 1 for limit values. Here in the denominator is, it is in the form of a square minus b square whole square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So you can write it as factors. So limit x tends to a, sine of x minus a, tan square of x minus a by, it is x plus a whole square, x minus a whole square. Here for tan, it has x minus a whole square, but sine, there is no x minus a. So we can multiply and divide with x minus a. So in this, the limit x tends to a, sine of x minus a, it goes to for sine by x minus a, limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a whole square by x minus a. Again another one is limit x tends to a, x minus a by x plus a whole square. Here you write it as, it is 1, it is 1, it is a minus a is 0, should be 0. Okay. This is the way. For sixth problem, you know that cos 2x formula is 1 minus 2 sine square x or 2 cos square x minus 1. Here cos has negative. For 1, we want negative means you choose the 1 minus 2 sine square x. So for limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 sine square. It is what is 2x, x is mx. So sine mx, sine square mx by sine square nx. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 is a constant right outside. Limit x tends to 0. Sine square mx by sine square nx. It is equal to 2 limit x tends to 0. We want in the numerator mx whole square. In the denominator sine square mx by mx whole square. The denominator limit x tends to 0, 1 by sine nx by nx whole square. So denominator means it will denominator means numerator. Here in the denominator multiply with nx whole square. So 2 mx whole square by nx whole square. It is limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Sine mx by mx whole square. Limit x tends to 0. 1 by sine nx by nx whole square. It is 1. It is 1. X square cancel. 2 into m square by n square. So that is 2m square by n square is the answer. Okay. Eighth one is also you can write it as 1 by cos x and you can try 8th and 9th. 7th, 8th, 9th. The 7th is similar to 6th one only. In that mx is there, 2mx is there, here x is there. So you can take it as cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Half of that. Here also. This is also. Cos mx means cos mx is nothing but 1 minus 2 sine square mx by 2. Then you multiply and divide with mx by 2 whole square. In the denominator, if you get sine square nx means again you multiply in the denominator and divide with the denominator nx by 2 whole square. Simplify. Okay. This sec x is converted into 1 by cos x and simplify it. Is it okay? You can try it. If you get, it's okay. If you won't get, I will explain tomorrow.